everyone, welcome to Technology Glance. In today's video, I'll show you how to block someone on MeetMe app. So let's get started. First, open your MeetMe application. Then tap in the person that you want to block. Tap on the three horizontal dots. And then tap in block option. And if you are sure, tap on continue. And this is how you can block someone on MeetMe application. Thanks for watching Technology Glance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on our future videos.